All right, new and aspiring real estate agents. I bet you are wondering, how do I get my first deal? Well, guess what? Today I'm going to tell you. All right, step number one, let's get right to it. The first thing you want to do is don't be afraid of social media, right? By now you should have at least 1,500 followers and friends on your social media. So what you want to start doing is have a conversation. Find out what they like, if there are any particular or popular neighborhoods they're interested in. Also, find out their price points. Step number two, once you have done a little bit of research and you know what your audience wants, connect with an experienced real estate agent or somebody who has the type of properties that you want. Also, you could door knock these neighborhoods and simply ask the homeowners. That's a little bit of an advanced strategy, but it is a possibility. Some of us do it all the time. But back to connecting with an experienced real estate agent. What you can do is get their permission to advertise the properties on your social media. This will help you to gain potential clients. This will help you to quickly gain leads and start talking to people about buying or selling. Last but certainly not least, be ready and be prepared. Now, the way you get ready and prepared is to do a lot of research in advance before you even get to this point, right? You want to know the right questions to ask these people. When they inbox you and say, hey, I like that house, you want to know the right questions to ask them so that you can actually convert these people into clients, right? This is where they say, turn your post into dollars, right? The conversion process, the pre-qualifying process, that's how you do that. So knowing which questions to ask is the way you get one step closer to your first closed deal. Now, two quick examples of questions you might want to ask is, when do you need to move by? Or how do you plan to buy this house? Do you need lender information to get a pre-approval? Those are just a few. For more tips, tricks, and real estate news from the D, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. It's Katina Willis. I'll see you later.